Hi friends, welcome to DIY Crafty Sewing channel. Now we are going to make one of the trending rows which is very easy to make. For that I am taking the satin ribbon which is having the width 1 cm and length 80 cm. Now give a heat touch up to the edges of the ribbon to secure the raw edges. Now fold the ribbon into half as shown here. From the center of the ribbon, give respective folds together as shown in the video. Continue this folding process until you reaches the end of the ribbon. Now as shown in the video, keep hold the one ribbon where another ribbon pull down. To get better shape in middle of the flower, gently pull down little bit as shown here. As shown in the video, wrap the thread to the bottom of the flower to secure the flower shape. For completion of wrapping, give a secure knot. You can use this flower craft in various applications like headbands, baby dresses, alligator clips, tic tacs, hair bands, etc. As per your wish, you can use it. Now trim out the extra part of the flower and give a heat touch up as shown here. If you like our video, please like it. If you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a great day.